Good day, Divergence traders. How are we all doing today? Kind of a rough day, choppy day today. I didn't even do a trade today. So what you're looking at here is from Friday. So we're just going to go back a minute or two to take a look at this. You know, it's so funny that when you're in the trade, or you're about to get into a trade, you're so into like, oh, is this happening? Oh, is that happening? And and sometimes you do things that you shouldn't do. You know what I mean? Like, I was selling here, okay? See the two sells, and I got out with a loss right there. That's because I was so involved in the price, watching it too closely. Once it dipped down through here, through the 7, right? I thought, oh yeah, okay, it's time to sell. That's what I thought, right? And that's where you see the double top divergence, right? But what I failed to look at was the 15-minute. Even though it was telling me the story up here, okay, I wasn't looking at it. All these arrows were blue, okay? And I should have never sold in there. But that's how, you can get caught on the wrong side thinking you were doing the right thing when you weren't. So when it raced back up here, I said, holy shit. And then I was looking at the 5 EMA, which is the white dash line. I said, holy shit, it's not even below the 7. I got to get the hell out of this trade. So I knew when it raced back up, I knew I was on the wrong side. So I quickly got out. And then I'm looking at it and I'm going, well, look at that pin bar. I bet you it's going to keep going up. And that's exactly what it did. So I quickly jumped in. You see, this is the kind of things that a lot of traders suffer from. If they're in one side, whether it's short or whether it's long, doesn't matter. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Okay? And you can see it on the chart. You're on the wrong side of it. You got to get the hell out. And if you want to do a trade right there and right now, like I did, then you do it, right? But believe me, you have no idea how many years and years and years it took me to be able to change my mind on the flip of a dime. Okay? And that's what I wanted to show you here, is that I never should have sold it here. There was a double top, there was divergence, but I'm trading against the general trend of going up. And that's what it did. It just kept going up with some retracements along the way, But anyway, I just wanted to say, we're all humans. We all make these kind of, mistakes and whatever in trading. And that's what makes it difficult. And, we eat too much. That's why we're overweight. We drink too much. That's why our liver is getting shot. Okay? We go out in our car and we drive too fast. So you see what I'm saying? This is why it's so hard in these markets. Even though you look at it, you go, well, that can't be too hard. That must be real simple to trade that. But it isn't, because your psychological emotions are involved. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that, there's an old saying, cut your losses short and let your profits run. Okay, so that's what I quickly did there. I cut my loss real quick and I got long on the other side and it worked out. And I didn't make any points here because I got out, I got in right here, I got out here at the high. I just got back, what I had lost in the two sell trades. So anyway, I hope this helps you and you've learned from this example, and let's move on now to today's video. Okay, 5-minute, what do I got to do? Oh yes, I need to go. That's on my live account, by the way. I shouldn't be showing that, but anyways, how am I going to show you the trades if I don't show you? We're moving on to the demo now, okay? Here we go. There's the demo, okay? Let's now look at the NASDAQ 5-minute. Let's see what the hell was happening here. Yeah, they did their normal sell-off with pullbacks, as you can see. But there was a double top here. There's no divergence. This is the 5-minute, okay? 5-minute NASDAQ. There was no divergence up there to sell. But, no, there wasn't even... No, this one's above. Well, I guess we could call this a hook down. Right? But look, oh, what are you doing there? Bouncing all over the place there. There it is. Okay. But, you know, we usually wait for it to come and close down here below the moving averages, right? And close near the low. But that was a big close down. That was the news. Yes, it was, wasn't it? Yeah, 1700. That was the news. So that's the only next opportunity you could have had was you know, to sell a retracement into the 5. But anyway, I never teach that part. I only teach it on the close. So anyway, there was no higher close. Down it goes because it was too far from the 5. This one too far from the 5. So there was no sells along the way. There was just this one hook down trade because there's no divergence here. This is going down like this. And, you know, it's not divergence. So let's move on now to the S and the P and see what if it gave us anything. Huh. It actually did. It actually did. So we go like this, okay? You can draw it wherever you want. You can draw it there if you like. And we take it from here right down to there. And our trade, this is hard to see hidden divergence. So it would have got short right there on the opening of that candle. Okay. We got short right there. Stop was like 54 points. And as you know, it went down. It went down, way down. Oh. It went down freaking 30 points, you might as well say. Nice one. Nice one on the S and the P. Let's check out the Dow Jones. See what it did. Yeah, you could say the same kind of trade right here to right here. As long as it's higher than where you drew it from, right? So from this here, right there. So you would have got short right in here. Would have sold it. And down it goes. 26. No. That's the Dow. 260 points. Well, down here almost 300. Did we have any higher close? Sell it down it goes? Nope. Well, maybe one here, but would you really want to sell down here? Way the down here? You really want to sell from up here. You know what I mean? Not down here. Anyway, that's the only trade on there. You can see it. Now, pound dollar. I was up at this time last night. I did a little trade. As you can see, so this is why I'm showing the UK session. Double top on the pound dollar, right? And I was in exactly where you're supposed to get in. Right on the opening of this candle. So I got short right there. The stop was like 11 pips. And I got my 22 pips right here. Yeah, right there. I took it. I got exactly 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. And yeah, and you're going, oh, well, why did I hold on to it? Well, when the price is up here, we don't know if it's going way down here. We don't have, you know, a crystal ball on our shoulder or something. I was in this other stream last night. Anyway, there's something I want to share with you. I call it in a different name, but these traders in this stream, they explained it so good, I just have to share it with you. Okay? I'm the type of trader that I've known a long time, and my saying is this: trade what you see, not what you think. In other words, trade what you see on the chart, and don't come to the chart and go, oh, it's going up. I think it's going to go up. I'm going to buy. That's assuming. That's you assuming and thinking it's going to go wherever, and you're going to buy. And you must know as well as I know, that doesn't work out too well for you now, does it? No. So these guys, they explained it. They said the market is the boss. Okay? Meaning the market is going to tell you where the price is going to go. Your head, assuming it, will not tell you where it's going to go. That's why I hate these traders. Well, I don't hate them personally, but these traders who use limit orders. They go, oh, price. Where's a good example? Anyway, they use limit orders like, oh, when the price gets right down here, okay, at this level, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to have a buy limit order there. And they think, oh, it's going to go back up here. That's assuming where you think the price is going to go. And it's just no. It's like, no, you can't do that. You got to trade what the market is telling you. You know what I'm saying? The price tells you where it's going to go, not you and your brain. Okay. Anyway, I hope that's sunk in there now. It makes so much sense because so many traders assume to think, oh, the price is going here, it's going to bounce off here and go down there. Like, yeah, I am God, the trader God. I know when the price comes up here, I'm going to sell it and it's going to come right down here. And no, and it'll go up, it'll miss their limit order, or, and go all the way down or whatever. These people who use limit orders, who think and believe that the price is going to go way out of its way to where they want it to go, and it's going to go down. When that's a no-no. You got to look at the price. Where's the price telling you? Where's it going? What is it saying? That's what's going to tell you where the price is going. Anyway, I don't trade with limit orders. I like to trade the setup when it happens, and I like to trade it with the near-term trend, not against it. Okay, especially in a long trend like this. Like, I'm not going to buy right here just because there's a little retracement. You buy here and down it goes, right? You're going to buy right here and down it goes. Buy right here, down it goes. You got to go you got to do what the price is telling you. Okay, I've said that like 4 times now, I think. Sorry, but I think it's so good. It's so true. What is the price telling you? That's what you need to know. That's why I call it trade what you see, not what you assume to think. Okay, let's look at the euro dollar now. What did it do? Did it have that same double top? No. Well, no. There is kind of like a double top, but this mountain's higher than this one, so there's no trade. There's no trade. Yeah, it's like say the price is right here, and when the price comes down to here, we're gonna buy it, and it's gonna go right back up. That's the way some people trade, and they buy it and they get a few pips in their pocket, and then it falls, and then it falls, and it falls. And that trade plan does not work for you. Like right here. Like say you bought right here, the price was up here and you had your limit order, you got filled on the limit order, right? And it's going like this. And then once it's smacked down through here, okay, it told you, hello, we're not going down where you think. or up as you think. We're going down and down and down. You see what I mean? Yeah, you see what I mean. Okay, let's take that lock off there. Pound yen. Okay, 15-minute. Okay. Yeah, it went on a long trend since the open of the UK session. We have low and lower lows right there. So you would have got long right there. Let's see. Did it hit our target? Our stop is at the swing low right there, 21.4 pips. Oh, yeah. Went up 34 pips. We hit T1. And then, yeah, there's a trade here too, believe it or not. Here it is. From here to here. And from here to down here somewhere. And you would have sold right in there. Okay? Right there. And down it goes. It went down 113 pips on the pound yen. And we had some higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. Here's another one. Higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. Here's another one here too. Here's a hold on. Higher close. There's one right there. Sell it. Right? A little bit of drawdown. But also at the same time, we had a hook down, ladies and gentlemen. It is right there. Okay? So on this one, you would have sold right on the opening of this cross. Jesus was in this trade with us. Yeah, he guided us down safely. Okay? Right here. See the cross? That's Jesus. Yeah. Then we had the hook down, and down it went. So it was good. All the trades were good. All of them. The divergence and everything. Pound yen was a beautiful thing to trade. I wasn't trading it, but it was good. Euro yen, what did it do? There's divergence right there. Just like that. And just like that. And we would have got long right here. And the stop at the swing low of 12.6 pips. And it went up 20. So we got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. And what about this here? I don't know. It looks interesting. Yeah, there's divergence again. Can't be. Again? Not again. Yes, again. Right there. Okay, see that? And right there, high and higher high. Sell it in here. Yep. Right in there. Pull this back now that I showed you it's divergent. So we got short right there. Stop at the swing high, 13 pips. And it went down 29 pips. And do we have divergence down here again? Oh, yeah, for sure. Oh, hold on. I got to put the lines on first. So we get long right there. Say right there, I guess. Stop was at the swing low. It's only 13 points. Did we get our 13? Yeah, just got it there. But if you're still in it, we definitely got it. There's 20 pips right there. Okay, that's a euro yen. Now let's see what gold did. Oh, look at that big freaking... Was that at 10 o'clock? Yeah, that's the 10 o'clock news. Beautiful divergence, though. Hold on. Oh, maybe not. Oh, no, that's divergent. See it? right there. And right there. Go on down, you. Was there divergence here? So you would have got short there. So right there, stop would have been 20 points. And it went down 113 points. I know this is a little tricky to find, but there's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 bottom right there. Double bottom, but it's more than double. And we take it from here, right here, and just go up like that. Okay, right there, right there. I'm a little off, but you know what I mean. Right there. That's the divergence, ladies and gentlemen. So gold usually isn't divergent friendly, but it sure was today. So the stop at the swing low, 21 points. And you got that in 10 minutes. Went up 24 points. And you got more if you want it, if you're held onto it. And then the news happened and did that. And now it's doing that. Okay. Anyway, that's it for today. Was there one before that in the UK? Oh yeah, for sure. I knew there was. Because I was up looking at the charts last night. It was good. I took a little nap from 7 till 8. So I didn't miss the New York session. So there's the divergence. There's the trade. That's it. But I got long in there. You definitely got your 1-to-1. 25 pips, and it went up 50. So you got 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on that buy trade. And that's gold. We just have one more instrument to look at. And that is oil. I didn't even feel good enough to trade oil today. It was like crazy. Like, look at this. Look at this shit right here. I said, no, I'm not doing that. This trade here, I was really thinking about, oh, should I do it? Should I do it? Should I sell in here? It wasn't a perfect double top, but but still, we had divergence here like this, high and higher high. And we had like a double top, basically, like that. See? Here's this one, down to here. And this one is basically down to here like that. See? Two divergence, a double top and higher highs divergence. And I was saying, like, sell that sucker, but I didn't feel good about it, And I was watching the NASDAQ same time. It was doing crazy shit. I said, no, it's Monday today. The news didn't help me in any way to do a trade. But here is divergence right here, right now, as we speak. But it's past the time for me to trade. Watch it go all the way back up here, though. I bet it will go back up here. But I don't want to bet and gamble today, so I'm not going to do the trade. But let me just show you I don't even have to put a line there. My 71.50 a barrel line is already there. I just need to put that on there. And a arrow saying buy it. And stop would be 23 points. So far it's went up 20. So it's almost hit the target. Just another few tickers to go up, and that'll be another successful 1-to-1 win-loss ratio trade. Anyway, I want to thank you all for watching and listening and coming out today, and I hope I shared some good trading knowledge with you guys and girls, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.